Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to work out the area of a square and an area of a rectangle. Before we get started, let's differentiate between area and perimeter. I've seen too many students, they understand area, they understand perimeter, but they mix them up. Now, understanding area, we are working what is inside the shape. While perimeter, you need to remember, that is the outside boundary of a shape. So very important to differentiate between that. Area, we're working out inside, while for the perimeter, we are working out the outside boundary of a shape. Now that we understand that, the next point I want you to understand is that every shape, when we're working out its area, we have to use a special formula for it. Now this formula, it has to be memorized. It has to go straight into your mind and it can't come out. We don't want to forget our formulas. If we get our formulas, we're not going to know how to work out the area of any shape. Let's get started. Looking at the theory, we have the diagram of a square. And how do we know it's a square? Well, all the sides are marked with a dash, showing us that they are all equal. The square has a side marked with an S. Now the formula is A, standing for area. Area equals S squared, meaning S times S, which is side times side. So if the side was 9, it's going to be 9 times 9. If the side was 8, 8 times 8. Let's see how we're going to do this square here. We're going to show you how it's done and how we actually set the working out. We have a square, and we know it's a square because the sides have been marked to show that all the sides are equal. Each side is 12. We know this side's 12 and they're all equal. That means this is 12, 12 and 12. We're asked to find the area of the square. The first things first, the formula. We always show the formula. A equals S squared. A equals S squared. Always show the formula. You're going to get marks for it. A equals S squared. Now, A is our area. What is S? We replace S with the side length. In this case here, it is 12. 12 squared, 12 times 12. 144. Now, in this question, we need to be careful. It says, find the area of the square, all units in centimeters. So all units in centimeters. So what does that mean? That means this is 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Now, because we're working with area, it's 144 square centimeters. We show the 2 on top. 144 square centimeters. Be careful, you don't just write down centimeters, because 144 centimeters means just a length of 144. When we write centimeters squared or square centimeters, we're actually saying this is the area inside of a shape. In this case, it's the area inside of this square. 12 by 12 means 144 square centimeters inside this square. Formula, working out, answer. Formula, working out, answer. You'll get full marks. Always make sure you show your centimeters squared. You have to put the 2 or else you'll get it wrong. Now, the rectangle. Let's look at the theory. A rectangle is a shape which has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. The long sides are marked with an L for length and the short are marked with a B for breadth, or sometimes W for width. The formula, A equals LB. LB meaning L times B. In algebra we know LB means L times B. So area equals length times breadth. Short form, A equals LB. Let's see how we're going to apply it to work out the area of this rectangle. We can see this rectangle and we can tell that this side and this side are equal. They're marked with a dash in black. This side is 5, while this side here is marked with a dash in red, and this side's 8. That means this side must be also 8 here, and we said 5 there. Now we can use the formula to work out the area inside this rectangle. Let's do it. The formula first. A for area equals LB, length times breadth. Length times breadth. A again, area. Length is 8 times breadth is 5. Eight times 5, 40 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Our answer, the area of this shape, the area of this rectangle, everything inside it, is 40 square centimeters. So this is the area of a square, this is the area of a rectangle. Formula, working out answer, formula, working out answer. You'll get your full marks, very nicely set, under each other nicely. You'll get your answer straight away, centimeters squared, or sometimes meters squared. It depends on the question. And if there's no unit, there's no centimeters or meters, we just put units squared, or square units. However, here we are told find the area of the square and the rectangle. Units are in centimeters. So here we worked them out. We wrote out centimeters squared. This is the area of a rectangle, and this is the area of a square. Remember, always memorize your formulas. You won't ever go wrong.